The book of Enoch revealed that the holy angel Michael was set over the best part of mankind. He intercedes for the Israelites and all the righteous, so that they may not be destroyed. Jesus in the New Testament do the same thing as the holy angel Michael. Israelites, listen to another testament from the patriarch of our nation. Dan shares similar truth about the holy angel Michael. The truth is always hidden in the most interesting places. In the testament of Dan, Dan said to his children to draw near to the angel that intercedes for you. Dan went on to say this angel is the mediator between God and men.